The Uniform Commercial Code provides some much-needed predictability regarding sales and commercial transactions. In the 1994 case of North American Lighting Incorporated versus Hopkins Manufacturing Corporation, however, we examine a case in which neither party seems to be able to adequately predict the other's actions. North American Lighting, or NAL, assembled headlights for automobiles. This work required compliance with several industry standards. In part, NAL was responsible for exercising due care in its quality control testing. In 1989, NAL's due care testing equipment broke down. As a result, NAL contacted Hopkins Manufacturing Corporation to obtain information about Hopkins's machine vision system. Hopkins claimed this system could ensure that NAL met the required industry standards. In May of that same year, Hopkins offered NAL free use of the prototype and calibrated it for NAL's needs. At the time, NAL shared concerns with Hopkins that the system couldn't meet some specific compliance requirements. Hopkins assured NAL that software could be added to the system to correct the problem. A few weeks later, NAL found inaccurate and inconsistent results and notified Hopkins. Hopkins recalibrated the system, and results improved temporarily before regressing. Despite these issues, NAL decided to purchase the system in June, largely because of Hopkins's continued assurances that it could remedy the deficiencies. When the permanent system arrived in August, it performed poorly with wildly inconsistent results and failed to test multiple required checkpoints. After NAL's repeated requests, Hopkins finally made software upgrades in July of the following year. However, the system continued to function poorly and didn't even power up later that month. NAL stopped using the system and began searching for a replacement. In June of 1991, NAL notified Hopkins it was revoking its acceptance of the system and instructed Hopkins to come pick it up. NAL sued Hopkins in state court to recover payment for the system. The case was removed to federal district court. The court found for NAL, determined its revocation was valid, and that it didn't owe Hopkins rental value of the system. Hopkins appealed to the Seventh Circuit.